Penhouse.in YouTube channel, the ultimate destination for pen enthusiasts, collector and anyone who appreciates the art of fine writing instruments. I'm Navi and I'm thrilled to have you here. Today we are going to review this Cross AT112 Calais model twist type ballpoint pen. So here is the pen. This will come with silver and black color. So in this video, we are going to see overall length, weight and writing of the pen. So before going to our video, kindly subscribe to Penhouse.in YouTube channel and click the bell icon so that upcoming videos will be notified to you. Let's move on to the video. Okay, now we'll open the box. This is Cross 1846 USA. The logo of the cross, it's a lion logo, you can see here. It's like a half lion logo here. This combination, it's yellow color and then black color. Black and yellow combination. I'll open the pen. And here is a pen. This will come with an elegant gift box. You can see here. It's a tight elastic cross mark here. It will be very comfortable and amazing. So if we take this, we can see the manual over here and there is a manual. Okay, it's very soft and the color combinations is nice, black and then yellow. Okay, here is Cross Calais AT112 model twist type ballpoint pen. So look at the color combination, it's silver and then black. We have trim rings in black color. This overall body is made up of metal. Here is a clip. It's a little bit tight clip, but we can insert this into the pocket. And they have mentioned Cross brand name here. You can see here. And there is no logo and there is no band rings. Here this will come with a plain classic look. You can see here black and then silver combination. So now we'll see the construction of the pen and back to our video. Now we'll calculate the overall length of this Cross brand pen. It's a twist type ballpoint pen. So we are going to check both the length including the tip. Okay, it's 134.22 mm. It's a twist type ballpoint pen. So we'll calculate including tip. It's 137.09 mm. Now we'll calculate the grip section diameter. It's 11.45 mm. Now we'll calculate the overall weight and back to our video. Now we'll calculate the overall weight of this Cross Calais AT112 model twist type ballpoint pen. We'll check the overall weight now. This is 35 gram, it's in a mid-weight. Now we'll remove this. We'll pull off and calculate the bottom weight. And the cap weight carries 12 gram. We'll calculate the barrel weight with refill. This carries 23 gram. Now we'll unscrew this and check the barrel weight. It's without refill, it's 21 gram and almost this refill carries 2 gram. Okay, it's a mid-weight pen. Now we'll back to our video. Now we saw the construction of the pen. It's a mid-weight pen, but we can easily travel with this. We can take wherever we want. It comes with a flat finial and the bottom of the pen you can see here. And this is a mid-weight pen. Now we'll see the grip section. Okay, it's a comfortable grip section and it's not slippery because of this matte finish. You can see here. Nice. It's a twist type ballpoint pen with medium tip. Okay. A nice grip section. Now we'll see the refill type. We are pulling off this. Okay. You can see here, this overall body is made up of lacquered metal. Here is the refill. Unscrew this. It's black color refill. You can see they have mentioned cross medium refill with black color made in China. Okay. For this cross refill, you can alternative use Zinnow or Smith refill. That spares is also available in penhouse.in. If you want to purchase that spare, website link in the description. Kindly see to it. Okay, now we'll do the writing sample and back to our video. Now we are going to do the writing sample of this cross Calais AT112 model twist type ballpoint pen. So this is a mid-weight pen. We'll check that now. First we are going to write penhouse.in and this is black color refill, brand name cross Calais AT112 and this is medium tip. We'll do the smoothing test now. Okay, it's very smooth. And this grip section, it's very comfortable for my hand. Even though it's a mid-weight pen, I couldn't feel that overweight in this pen. Nice. Okay. Now I'll do the horizontal line and vertical line. Nice. Now we'll back to our video. Now we did the writing sample. It's just amazing and this is a matte finish. It's not slippery. This lacquered metal. It's in a mid-weight. Now we came to the end of the session. Whoever can use this pen. School going students, office going adults, everybody can use this pen. And this is a medium tip. You can use alternative other refills and you can use blue color refill. That will be like amazing. This black and blue combination. It's like wow. So, whether Penhouse is only doing this types of pens and reviewing? Not at all. We are retailing of different branded pens and these spares, all the spares are available like refill, cartridges, converters, refillers, everything spares are available. And then we are manufacturing of different branded pens, especially handmade pens, customized pens, silver pens and regular ballpoint pens, roller ball and then fountain pens. And we are manufacturing acrylic and MDF products like claw, gift item, corporate gift item under short timings and affordable prices. Price is the most important thing, right? So if you want to know all the category of our products, link in the description, kindly see to it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us. Tada, bye bye.